Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you liked my previous video on the fundamental unit of life. In this video, I'll share some important points from the chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. What is a matter? Anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. According to the Indian philosophers, matter are classified into 5 basic elements: air, earth, fire, water, sky. These 5 elements are called Panch Tattva. Modern day scientists have evolved 2 types of classification based on physical properties and based on chemical properties. Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. The particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. Characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. That is, they possess what we call kinetic energy. Particles of matter intermix on their own by getting into the spaces between them. The intermixing of particles of 2 different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. Diffusion becomes faster on heating. Particles of matter attract each other. States of matter. Based on physical properties, matter is classified into solid, liquid, gas. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of particles of matter. Solid state. A matter and solid state have definite shape, distant boundaries, fixed volumes, negligible compressibility. Solids have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break under the force, but it's difficult to change the shape, so they are rigid. Exceptional cases. Rubber band. It changes shape under the force and regains the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. Sugar and salt, when kept in different jars, they take the shape of the jar, but the shape of each individual sugar or salt crystal remain fixed. Sponge. It has minute holes in which the air is trapped. When we press it, the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. Liquid state. Liquids have no fixed shape, have fixed volume. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. The rate of diffusion of liquid is higher than that of solids. Particles move freely and have greater space between each other as compared to particles in solid state. Gaseous state. Highly compressible as compared to solids and liquids. Liquefied petroleum gas cylinder or the oxygen supplied to hospitals in cylinders is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas is used as fuel these days in vehicles. Particles move faster and have large space between them. This results in very fast diffusion compared to solids and liquids. Can matter change its state? We know water can exist in 3 states of matter: solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas as vapor. On increasing the temperature of solids, the kinetic energy of the particles increases. Due to the increase in kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating at a greater speed. The energy supplied by heat overcomes the forces of attraction between the particles. Can matter change its state? The minimum temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. The melting point of ice is 273.15 K. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. The boiling temperature of water is 373 K. The amount of heat energy that requires to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. Particles in water at 0 degrees Celsius 273 K have more energy as compared to particles in ice at the same temperature. A change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called sublimation. Direct change of gas to solid without changing into liquid is called deposition. Here is an image of interconversion of 3 states of matter. Effect of change of pressure. Applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gases. Solid CO2 gets converted directly to gaseous state on decrease of pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. This is the reason the solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. Pressure and temperature determine the state of the substance, whether it will be solid, liquid, or gas. Evaporation. The phenomenon of the change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with an increase in the surface area, an increase of temperature, a decrease in humidity, an increase in wind speed. In an open vessel, the liquid keeps on evaporating. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surroundings to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surroundings makes the surroundings cold. More to know. Now, scientists are talking of 5 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. Plasma. This state that consists of super-energetic and super-excited particles. These particles are in the form of ionized gases. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Bose-Einstein condensate. Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose had done some calculation for a fifth state of matter. Building on his calculations, Albert Einstein predicted new state of matter, the Bose-Einstein condensate. The BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of a normal air, to super low temperatures. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.